Hey guys, Sylv here and welcome to my MAVAS review. So I am right inside of MAVAS dashboard, guys. In this review I'll show you around this software. And to cut it right to the point, it's really like ChatGPT with some extra features added to it. Okay, with like some, I would say, extra layers, so to speak. Yeah, okay, so here we have the funnel as well. I explained there will be a bundle deal as well, guys. If you get to like the first 3 upsells, the bundle deal will save you over $50. There will be a coupon for the bundle deal. And below my review, guys, you will find 2 links, one for the this is my bonus page, and through my bonus page, and yeah, you will see all of the bonuses you'll get on top of just the front end. Should you decide this is the product for you and you want to get it from me, you will get extra 20 exclusive bonuses. Okay, so take a look at them. There's too many for me to go through every single of them and explain. That will explain on the sales page. And also, so take a note of the discounts you get in here. So $3 on the front end and $50 on the bundle deal. Okay, so there you go. And this software, by the way, went live yesterday. And yesterday was, let me just double check, the 25th of October. So during also the launch, you will have access to some extra bonuses which will be listed on the sales page. Let me just like click. So if you were to buy it from my bonus page, guys, just like depending on which one you want, whether this is the standard funnel, so the front end, and followed by all of the upsells, and you pick whatever upsell you wish. And now should you feel like you want all of the upsells, up to the upsell number 3, go for the bundle deal, because it will save you $50. But let me take you through the standard funnel. Okay, so through my bonus page, you click on this button, the purple button, and voila, this is the sales page, and the vendors you will have all of the features explained. There's too much to really go through. There will be some testimonials. And then here we have also a demo done by the vendor. Let me just take you all the way to the end. It's really like an insane number of jobs this sort of like virtual assistant, VA, right, can do for you, which I'll show inside of the members area. And these are the vendors. So Amit Parikh did also the demo, which you will find further up on the sales page. And on the front end, you will have very good prices, by the way, okay? And get the 27 with the 27.15, okay, dollars, because you'll get some extra bonuses, plus it's commercial license, so you can use it for your clients, guys. Okay, this is obviously a tool for sort of like a professional marketer or someone who, it's not a tool for a newbie. Okay, I wouldn't say so. It's a very, sleek, not that a newbie cannot use a sleek tool, but someone who, has a lot of content to write and know what they're doing, and they need to speed up the work and save time, right? Plus, as I said, you can use it for your clients too. So get the commercial one, 27 minus $3 discount, you get it for $24, okay, the commercial license, unless you want to get the bundle deal. As I said, we'll go through the funnel at the end of my review. And yeah, these are the coupons, so yeah, take advantage of these coupons. Should you feel like you want to buy it, and obviously, regardless of which option you want to go for, there will be a discount. Okay, so now let's go inside of the members area, inside of the dashboard, and let me show you around. So first thing first, guys, this is run by it runs on credits, okay? With the front end, so 1 credit equals 50 characters. Now, with the front end, you will get 10k, I believe 10,000 credits, which is quite a lot. And then once you've run out of credits, you will have the option to recharge. So for extra 10k credits, you'd pay $10 or 20. If you get 20k, you save up $2 because that's gonna cost you $18. But another option is just integrate your OpenAI, so your OpenAI key. Okay, you'll go to your AIP key from the OpenAI, go get the key connected to your ChatGPT, and voila, okay, because it really pulls the information from ChatGPT. As I said, it is sort of like ChatGPT with some extra layers to it, because you can store your work here. You can also, you'll have some integrations, okay, and some of the upsells will allow you to connect your chatbot, okay, to your website. You will just get the embed code and connect it with your website, and you will have the option to have this pretty cool looking chatbot on your website, which you can use to collect leads, for example, okay? Bear in mind, this is not a smart bot, this is like ChatGPT bot, so it's not going to know about your business specifically, okay? It's not something you can train. It's like sort of like general knowledge, the internet knowledge. This bot will be able to answer, okay, with regards to questions. And it will be able to, obviously, it will be connected to your autoresponder, because you have all of sorts of like integrations here as well. And here you can see all of the supported autoresponders. So unless you find the autoresponder here, you won't be able to connect it to your autoresponder unless it's something else that you see here. But many autoresponders, as you can see, the most popular one like Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and all of that, they are supported. And also, like, if you wanted to connect it to say your webinar, then you'll need to upgrade for that, okay? This is the autoresponder come within the front end, but the rest of them, no, you'll need the upsell. I think the enterprise, we'll go through the funnel in a sec. What else did I want to mention before we go to the main feature of this product is the settings. Here inside of the settings, you will have all of the bonuses. Actually, is like plenty of bonuses, okay? You get direct access to, which are from the vendor, okay, and come on top of the front end. And then we will have inside of the settings as well the tutorials, which are pretty good, okay, quite a few tutorials on how to go about using this tool. But let me just take you back to the dashboard. I explained about the credits, and now here, as you can see, our MAVAS, your dedicated super VA, so virtual assistant, designed to efficiently manage all of your marketing tasks. So you can, you'll have access to some quick links here. So this is sort of like shortcuts, but it's basically the features you have available here to the left as well, okay? So the main job of this tool is to create all sorts of content for you. And then where you see this work done, this is where you're gonna have your work stored. I'm gonna show that to you a bit later. And conversation, so it will store all of the chats you have with this bot here. You can go back to those chats, you will have them always saved here, and all of that. So let's click on the get started, and you can write whatever you want. You want a piece of content written about here, or further down you have so many options. As you can see, the red sort of flagged ones are upsells. Inside of the front end you will have the email marketing covered, ad creation, copywriting, blog writer, affiliate marketing. Let me just scroll down. Landing pages created, short videos, which is cool. You can use for all sorts of shorts, right? Or Facebook or Instagram Reels. VSL script writer, course planner, social media outreach, SEO marketing, coding, polls and quizzes, customer service, and quite a few more sales funnels. You can have them created here, and there is way more features, okay, which are part of the upsells. As I said, the best option if you are serious really about this tool would be getting the bundle deal. Okay, you will have it all covered. You will have the chatbot. You will have the the media, which gives you access to all sorts of pictures and videos as well, and the super VA. Super virtual assistant feature here as well. Okay, so just to show you how it works, let's perhaps click on social media and let's work. Now, okay, so the bot will welcome you, hello, all of that. And then you can use the prompt from, you can choose a category that you need the content written for, about, okay, and choose the prompt. There are quite a few prompts. Some of them sound a bit stiff to me and sort of like out of place, to be like brutally honest. But they're working on the prompt, and the vendor also said that they would be updating the prompt and adding more suitable prompts to the arsenal here. However, okay, you can write your own prompt, or like down here in the corner, you can even record your voice, okay, if you don't want to write. But I would just say like, write me a Facebook post about my 10-day fast, okay? Facebook, okay, it's capital F, and then boom, let's get it. Let's send it to work. Let's see how long it's gonna take to create that. Okay, so that's already been written. Alright, and here we have it. So as you can see, hello everyone, I wanted to share a truly transformative experience that I recently embarked on a 10-day fast for the blah blah blah. Okay, as you can see, this is like some dodgy stuff here. Should be really emojis. This is apparently something they still need to, finish working on. So these emojis and the prompts, they will be apparently, correcting, because that's sort of like a faulty thingy here. But now here you have the content created for you. You would click here, you can copy, you can download, you can save to work done. So the work done is your sort of like storage, okay? So you will have these folders here. Now you can create a new folder. Let me say Facebook posts, okay? Create, okay, and there you have it. Now I'm gonna throw it in that folder and save it, okay? Cool. Another thing I forgot to mention, as you can see here to the upper right corner, you can also choose the style, sort of. You want the content written in, so like, informative, witty, authoritative, formal, playful, persuasive, and all of that. And you can choose the language you want to, okay. Now, with some of the upsells, there will be way more languages supported. So that's something to bear in mind as well. You have these options. And then let's go and let me show you where this work is stored. So as you can see, you have them here, and you can go back to them. Let me, for example, show you the social media. I've been playing around with the software, so I created quite a few folders. And here, you will have your work saved. And then you can rename it, download it, delete. You can open it up. And let me see if I can. Yeah, there you go. We have it here. And from there, we can obviously copy the text and use it. Okay, so as I said, you will have the conversations stored here, and you can rename them, obviously. You can go back to the conversations. You'll have your leads stored if you connect the chatbot, which is part of the upsells, to your website. This is an upsell agency white label. you have all of the integrations and the settings. I believe I've already shown you the settings where you have the bonuses and tutorials, all of that. So that's what in short, guys, MAVAS is all about. So again, ChatGPT with some layers added to it. Okay, now let me just show you the funnel. So the front end is really cheaper than what you see here, is actually $10 less. Okay, so you can get the commercial one with the $3 off for as little as $24, so good price. Then OTO number 1, which is Elite, 77, the MAVAS Enterprise, 97, Agency, okay, you have two options, 67, 97. 67 is 100 client license, and the 97 is unlimited. And now will be some OTO number 4 will be some memberships, but if you want the front end and all of the upsells up to the OTO number 3, then a good idea would be to get the MAVAS bundle offer, which is $297, but you get $50 discount, so it's $247 for the bundle deal. Alright, so again, that's my bonus page. I mean, this is the sales page, but you will get to the sales page via my bonus page, which will be down below in the description box below my review, guys. Alright, so that's my MAVAS review. It's quite a cool tool. It's got cool functions, features, and yeah, it works fine, very fast, very sleek, and there are some like faulty parts to it, which apparently the vendors are working on, because as you could see, you know, the emojis, sort of symbols, are just funny, dodgy. So they'll be hopefully, you know, correcting that very soon. And as for the prompts, I would write my own prompts, but you know, they will be improving the prompts as well. Right, guys, so love you and leave you, and I shall see you soon. Take care, bye bye.